Welcome to our special series, The Importance of Intergenerational Connections. Through simple stories of love, learning, and shared wisdom, we celebrate the beautiful bond between young and old. Come, let's journey together, one story at a time. Story 4. The Saturday Morning Walks. Sometimes, the biggest lessons are shared, one quiet step at a time. Every Saturday morning, before the sun climbed too high and the world became noisy, little Arjun would slip on his shoes, hold his grandfather's hand, and step into a world that moved slowly, like them. They would walk the same path through the neighborhood park, past the old stone bench, past the pond where ducks paddled gently, past the big fig tree where squirrels played tag with the wind. Arjun loved these walks, but not just for the nature. He loved them because Grandpa talked, not in a rushed way, not like adults who just gave answers, but in a slow, story-like rhythm, as if every word had its own breath. One morning, Grandpa said, "Do you see that ant carrying a leaf 5 times its size? It reminds me of the time I failed my school exams and still didn't give up." Another day, he pointed to a boy sharing his biscuit with a stray dog. Kindness doesn't have to be big, Arjun. Just real. And once, when Arjun asked, "Why do you always walk so slowly, Grandpa?" he smiled and said, "Because when you slow down, the world talks to you." With each step and story, Arjun began to see differently. He noticed things others missed. He asked questions grown-ups forgot to ask. And most of all, he began to feel deeply about people, about choices, about what truly matters. Years later, when Grandpa could no longer walk, Arjun would sit beside him, and now he would tell the stories of what he saw, what he learned, and how every Saturday morning still walked with him in his heart. Ending message. In every quiet conversation with our elders, there's a treasure waiting, a lesson that shapes not just who we are, but who we're becoming. Thank you for being part of this journey. May the bonds of love and wisdom grow stronger with each generation. If you have enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Stay connected, stay inspired. Thank you.